Hello beauties, welcome on my channel Beauty by Lovely. My name is Louange Lema. Today I have this look for you. If you want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. So first of all, I will do my brows. For my brows I use the powder from Action. If you live in Holland and Belgium, you can buy it everywhere. It is not expensive, it's very cheap, everybody can buy it. Before I do my eyebrows, I like to brush my eyebrows and then I will begin to fill in my eyebrows.
So my body don't lose God, can't walk home out door, yeah. Everybody singing hallelujah. Hallelujah. Everybody singing hallelujah. Hallelujah. Make me sing, oh. Oh, yeah. I say, help me sing, oh. Oh, yeah.
Now I will clean my eyebrows to shape it with the concealer. I use the concealer from Hema, the dark one I think, and I'm using my concealer brush. I bring my eye primer before I put any eyeshadow because it will stay longer like this. I used brown, like not too dark, not too light. I used some brown color from a palette, from my 120 palette I think. I use it like a transition color. Now I will use like a dark brown shade to darken my crease and blend it very well. Before I bring my gold eyeshadow, I like to bring first my concealer, a light one concealer. I used, I think, the same palette from Hema. I used that like a base so that you can see my gold very good. I like to use my finger to blend my concealer. The gold shade I'm using is from Naked palette, Naked 3. I don't know the name again. I will search for it and I will put it in the description bar. Now I will use a clean blending brush to clean up everything, to blend it together. I use now the same shade I used it before, like the dark brown, to smoky my eye. You know me guys, I like to blend everything very well, so now you see me blending everything together. You know what they say, guys, the key of a good makeup is like to blend everything. So keep on going, my girls, blend it very well. Now I'm using like a light gold, also from Naked 3 palettes, sorry, to lighten under my brows. Blend, 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 beauties, blend. For my waterline, I'm using like dark and black eye pencil from the Hema. I put my false eyelashes off camera. Now I'm using mascara to blend it together with my real lashes. For my primer, I'm using a primer from the Action. So you know me, I do like I like to have cheap makeup. Like makeup doesn't have to be very expensive, so I use it the primer of Action, from Action. For my foundation, I am using like foundation from the Hema. I forgot the name, but it's the darkest foundation from Hema, number 9. I like to use foundation brush for my foundation. It blends very good, so I like it very. To highlight my face, I'm using the concealer palette from the Hema, the one I used it before. Now I'm taking like the lighter one, 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, I think. And I like to use a brush for it. It blends very good with the brush.
What else? Biantone collection. Biantone collection. Memma woni pe bi embu abonfia. Ahopo pro mo yenye na bu huntia. Oye wo time for jano manivia. Yambu amu amunsi na bumpia. Se wo pe mo anyo menyi na edi. Nana nyame ni awaka no ne bebe mo. Se wo ma unsa swabi ponyi na tutu. So my party don't lose God, can't walk home out, yeah. Everybody singing hallelujah, hallelujah. Everybody singing hallelujah, hallelujah. Make me sing, oh yeah. I say help me sing, oh yeah.
I'm using my beauty blender to blend everything very good. Like the key, I told you, the key of makeup, to blend everything very good, girls. To set my concealer, I'm using the Banay powder, Topaz, I think. Now you can see it's a little bit light for me. Now I'm using another one, but this video is from long ago. Now I'm using like Sienna or Sina, but you have to check. don't have to. I see some people who are dark and they are using like banana powder. Yeah, that's too light for us girls. That's too light. So use Topaz or Sienna is very good also. I will use my beauty blender to bring it. It's baking time. I will let my powder to bake, and now I will contour my face. I use like the same eyeshadow powder I use for my eyebrows to contour my face. I use my powder brush to clean up the powder, and then I will use the MAC finish powder, I think, to fix my face with it. Now guys, my camera was dead, so I didn't have the time to film like my highlights, my blush and stuff like that, and my lips. On my lips I'm using a liquid lipstick from, it is rose, like you see, pink, sorry, rose. It's pink lipstick. So if you like the video, please don't forget to like it, to share with people, comments down below what you find, what did you like it or not. So I will see you in my next video.